Savings account versus fixed deposit, which is better? Ever wondered where to park your hard-earned money? Savings accounts and fixed deposits are common choices, but they serve different purposes. Picking the right one can dramatically impact your financial growth. Let's break them down for young professionals like you. A savings account is your go-to option for easy access. It keeps your money liquid for daily needs or emergencies. Though their interest rates are lower, this flexibility is ideal for managing expenses or unplanned situations. It's all about convenience and quick availability. Fixed deposits, on the other hand, lock your money in safely for a set period, offering higher interest rates. While you can't easily withdraw once invested, it's a reliable choice for long-term goals. Think of it as the steady path to financial discipline and growth. The answer lies in your goals. Need funds for day-to-day expenses or building an emergency fund? Go savings. Planning for a future milestone like higher education or a dream vacation? Fixed deposits are your best bet. Align your choice with your financial objectives. Now that you know the pros and cons, it's time to apply these insights. Assess your goals, weigh the options, and start building a financial strategy that works for you. Hit subscribe for more helpful tips and share this video to spark smarter money moves among your friends.